Alright, y'all, we checking in again for another video. As y'all can see, I promised y'all a Camaro update. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Hold on. I told y'all Camaro update was coming. It's not the update I planned, but I'm over here at the shop. So we finna go in here, then I'm gonna explain everything that's going on with the car. So did the update with the shop. They go Unc over there. Y'all talking about y'all ain't saw him in a minute. He good. He good. Getting it in and stuff. Y'all see, he still working over here. My boy Jerry over here. Y'all see him at the track and stuff.
Show my big 69 Riviera. I ain't seen one in years.
Look at that. Hey, it clean too. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Y'all know every time we do a shop update, I show y'all what's in here. So I'm gonna show y'all that. But yeah, he good. People be like, what Unc up to? He good, y'all. He still working, getting it in. But yeah, he picked up the Camaro this morning. Cause still gotta put transmission in. Well, y'all saw him and my boy Jerry carrying transmission in here. That's it. Now, what happened? Rick was working on putting transmission in, and shout out to Rick too. Y'all know Rick took it out and put it in one time for me before. But with the new converter, which is back there, with the new converter, I had found out something, like the bolt pattern didn't match up, so they modified the stock flywheel, which I ain't want to do that. The previous owner modified the stock flywheel. I wanted it right, so I went and bought a SFI Hughes and all of that. A Hughes torque converter, not torque converter, Hughes flywheel. Got it right, and then it was ARP flywheel bolts in the crankshaft, and man, I don't know if a torque wrench was used or somebody was just scared they were gonna back out, which I ain't really seen no flywheel bolt back out, but they were so tight and they were already kind of rubbed the edges. You know, ARP bolts all 12 points, so they were rough to get out. Me and Rick got 5 of them out. One of them is still in there. We don't have the tool. We tried easy outs and everything, but if you know ARP bolts, they not different. They special bolt basically. They better than grade A. They made out of some kind of, I don't know what they made out of. I think they made out of NASA spaceship alloy. Cause that ease out when thinking about going on there. So it had to come to Unc. And I was like, man, since it got to come to the shop, I had to tow it. I stay about 45 minutes from the shop. I was like, Unc might as well go ahead and put the transmission in. It just makes sense. So that's what the deal is. He about to get that out, put the transmission in. And we went ahead. We were gonna do this anyway over here. While he pulled up at the house, so we went ahead and got the HURON speed new kit and stuff, all that going on. So you know, all that's gonna get done too. Make sure to shop with HURON speed. Link is in the description of every video. Y'all, I done showed y'all that kit. It's gonna be better than what's on this car too. So yeah, that's what's up though. I mean, we got that. Then, like I said, y'all know I just bought the other new box here. I bought it back. So, like I said, Cheapskate is got to go. So, what I'm gonna do with Cheapskate, I actually doing 25 spots, $100 a spot to pretty much win the truck. So that's what's the plan with Cheapskate. So, got 14 spots left at the time of this video. Comes with everything you see except the shifter, bed cover, all of that said. And it's gonna come with all 4 of them, not the wheels. Custom gauge, cluster, everything else will be here except the shifter. The shifter not going. Got a nitrous line in already. Like I said, bed cover, fuel cell back there. It'll come with those wheels on it. So if you want a spot, it's $100 a spot. I have 14 left. You can email me at jmalcolm2004@gmail for a spot, and you could win the truck. Like I said, it's located in Georgia. You're responsible for pickup. $100 spot. At the time of this video, I got 14 left, but just email me to see what spots are left, and then you can pick your number, use a random generator, and then you could possibly get this for $100, or you could lose $100. That's how it works. So yeah, but let's see what Aunt working on. He got his baby over there, the truck. He got the Malibu over here, the street car going back together. Everything still clean. Then got this over here he working on. He got everything. Big rivy. And then got a monster over there. I don't know what that's going in, but it's a monster. And yeah, that's what he working on. So that's a quick little update. And I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. But yeah, that's the update. Like I said, man, he about to get the transmission in and all that. Get the boat out of there. Then we're gonna get the kit put on and stuff. And there's gonna be some more stuff get done. And then we're gonna start on the big rim car.
So how much we gonna put in that thing? What's our engine gonna be? The big rim car.
What you think?
We gonna race it or we just gonna have it?
We just gonna have it, a tie burner. What you think we ought to do? Everybody, look, everybody want to see us do a first gen small block. They want to see us do another standard traditional small block.
We're gonna put a 406 in.
406.
Yeah.
I know what we can do. 406 we were doing. Put in.
Put in there.
Put in the box.
In the box.
Yeah, cause we're gonna work. I'm ready to work on that. Literally, I'm about to start on that. I'm about to start dumping the money. Man, I'm gonna come up with a master plan. Cause the Camaro pretty much finished for the year. Last thing I'm gonna do to that is me and him gonna put that kit on. Like I said, he do turbo stuff over here too. So y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna see that. We're gonna put that kit on and stuff. Car back fired up. HURON speed. Switch it over. And yeah. And then he got another 2 more. Beside mine, he got 2 more turbo bills going on.
He gonna be 496 twin turbo.
496 twin turbo. That's what these headers for. A box 7, yeah. So another box 7.
Yep.
And y'all gonna see that. Y'all definitely gonna see that. Shout out to Bryson. Shout out to my boy Bryson. Y'all gonna see that. So he doing that twin turbo big block box 7 getting done over here. It's gonna be a real clean car too, man. I just saw the grill he getting. It's gonna be a clean car. So say that's gonna be a little high dollar bill. He already working on that. He got all the pieces, the turbos and stuff in there. So I'm putting that together. So you're gonna see some different stuff. We got the LS over here, then he got the traditional big block twin turbo, then the Gen 1. We're gonna do put the 406 that we're going to here, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the big rim car. And then I'm gonna show y'all how to do the, find you rims and stuff for cheap and all that. Then who knows what we're gonna do next. So y'all stay tuned in. Appreciate everybody.